So today we're going to be making cupcakes. Super easy. I've got my cupcake mixture here. It's a premix. All you need is just 2 eggs and butter. So we've got actually 125 grams of butter in the pot. We're going to melt it down very quickly. We've got 2 eggs there. I'm going to crack it. I'm going to first of all pour the cupcake mixture into the bowl, just like that. I'm going to have my melted butter in there. Give it a nice whisk. I'm going to whisk until it's nicely incorporated. As you can see, that took a minute. And in that time, I'm going to actually switch on my air fryer. Today we're going to have air fryer cupcakes as well as also cupcakes in the oven. 170 degrees, preheat your oven. And we're going to preheat the air fryer to 170 degrees. Now I'm going to just portion out my cupcakes. 2 spoons. Just going to put my sugar-free cupcakes into my cupcake holder. Now this makes about 10 to 12, and we're going to actually put, a few of them in the air fryer and a few in the oven. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to just put this into the oven. Now we're actually going to be making our frosting. Really easy. We've got actually 175 grams of unsalted butter and 165 grams of cream cheese, 300 grams of icing sugar, and also about 30 grams of milk. I'm just going to put all that in together. And then I'm going to use a cake beater. Okay, so what I have here is the fondant. And this is actually also in the Mother's Day hamper. We're actually going to be celebrating Mother's Day pretty soon. And I kind of want to do this also for Mom. Here we put the fondant actually in the microwave very quickly for about 5 seconds. Then in our Mother's Day hamper, we also got some coloring. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of that coloring in there. And I'm going to wear my gloves. You got to wear gloves for this because you don't want your hands pink after that. Okay, I'm just going to knead it away. And next I'm going to add a drop of flavor into there. Nice passion fruit flavor. If yours is a little bit too sticky, what you can do is just take a little bit of the cornflour. Give it a nice dust. So we want to roll this out really thin. Maybe a little bit of a ring cutter here, depending on the size that we want. I'm just going to give it a nice cut. And I've got a brush ready. I've got some paint, and I'm going to paint over that with the word M-O-M. Or I love you, Mom. My mom doesn't know I'm doing this video. So I think she'll be pretty surprised. Hey, now I got my cupcakes out of the oven. See the difference between the textures of the air fryer cupcakes as well as the oven baked cupcakes. Now we can decorate our cupcakes. It's out of the oven. I put it in the fridge for a little while so that it cools down and I can actually really decorate my cupcakes with the icing. We've got the pink and we've also got the turquoise icing, and you can actually add flavoring into the icing as well. We can decorate it with chocolate shells. We've got these flower fondant decorations, crunchy chocolate pearls. I even painted a little mom on top of my fondant. Now it's all about having fun together with the family. Let's bake something for Mom together and not forgetting to tell your mom how much you love her. And Mom, I love you. Alright, to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day. Got this Mother's Day hamper with lots of goodies, decorations, and premixes all ready for the family to bake together for Mom.